Stop to support. I hope you guys are good. A quick one. If your dryer is not working, open the top panel, ensure the dryer is unplugged from power, then come press this. This is resetting. If the heating elements, if it overheats, this trips. So just come press here. If you have a multimeter, if you check continuity resistance from this both terminals, it should read. That means it's working. But if it's not reading after pressing this, then you have to replace the all of this. But if you don't have this, it's giving you an H2 error, it's not heating, just come and press this, it should work. Unfortunately, other programs, they are not working, deodorization, sanitization, all that. So we're going to test this for resistance. There should be continuity on this. Like when you put this together like that, there should be continuity. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have. So we have a spare replacement here. If we test this with a multimeter, you should see some resistance. That this one doesn't have. So you're going to replace this. Look at that. The dryer is dirty. This panel is clogged. See here. So you're going to clean this before you replace. After cleaning the old one, it somehow responds. Responds, then stops. But because we have a new one, we're going to get this replaced. That simple, and we are done. Assess this because I opened this, so it's sensing that this sensor is off, completely unplugged. So I'm going to plug that back. Before that, ensure it's off, and then we plug this. So we should hear the fan running. It's sensing the load. The fan is now running. Simple. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.